Because the fact that I did not far Ghana gradually, it's happening, and they say, she cannot use it, and my year through morality to the dogs. Yes, gradually through morality to the dogs. What I heard recently, by now say, or yeah, app, issue the door, and I say, issue the serious.
Ebo Noah. Now,
one
more bounce of Ruby.
Because you know them to be soon.
With a typical example, Pana Diabanofa related that to Emrano. And the reason why and then Yachina he is in the police custody. If I know a case my way.
Also, right now, you are charging for publication of false information. I know it's under the Criminal Offences Act.
Okay.
That is at 29. So he's undergoing prosecution.
Okay.
But he could have equally been charged under the Cybersecurity Act.
Okay.
Equally, because it created distress. Especially certain people are overly religious.
Fixated to religion.
Yes. I didn't pray. You are doing something you can say anything. You can say anything. And they suffer. You get it. And also religion is dogmatic. Dogmatic. You don't say religion is an area full of Western question.
India grow.
Don't question.
And
they are stoic. They don't complain. You get it. Once suffering come, they take a book line and what center. So there's high degree of vulnerability around that space. High degree of vulnerability. Because it gives you asset. In fact, drain a couple. What I say. And it's not, I'm not saying this in a negative light too. The point I'm trying to say is that most of them, so what they project, what they for instance, is there a small boy who examines you say you believe in the I don't know never say who are you say bonnie it is whatever you see I don't know if you're the one that was created and it is those sort of questions
on say baby I didn't kondo okoton one what you never be you feel
so the point I'm trying to say is that about religion it's an area
you don't question
the faith in the what I say and I was told say certain people they contributed money to the guy they paid money you get it and let's say comment to me more tribute to one musician be a Sakode a musician called Sakode they attributed a certain statement to or no and I don't know whether you want to match that statement now and it's to the effect say the guy was only creating content I don't know whether that is the statement that he made.
Okay, I'm here to verify, but let's assume for educational purposes.
If he made that statement.
Say on Omeki, does that implicate the artist?
No, the next time say indeed Omeki that statement it is highly unfortunate on his part.
Okay.
Highly unfortunate on his part. Because then it means that he himself don't really appreciate the matters involved. Obi was planning the life more than 2025. What the catch on your course say the world is going to what? End. You get it? And this person, in reliance of that, they have acted at that person's detriment. He has acted at a detriment. You can say, investment also on your own career because you say, just made the you get it? And you will be on your money most of the things, no. It will go to the detriment of the person. What is that?
When two nation is Kenya, we are still blessed.
Implication of yes, at the hand. You get it? And any different society ought not to tolerate this kind of stuff. So the point I'm trying to say is that in the course of chasing money, especially when it comes to online. Most of these things are monetized. Especially over online activities now. The social media now. Yes, Facebook. Facebook does not exist if many will have content and work. You get it?
Yeah.
Facebook is like the reason why it is free, and that's social media. The reason most of it is free is that we are the product. We are the product.
Yeah, no, yeah, na yama umojuma na jina ya mfahwe antoa.
Yes.
Facebook is Facebook.
Facebook itself doesn't produce content.
There be TikTok produce content. Just a more ana mudi bego.
Moana mudi bego. Oh. And since you know how they do it. Yeah. What they do about 200. And to reaching to the brain. No, social media for the power thing. And that's the goal of my money day. And you know, they try to encourage people to get more followers. And most often, in family, they get here, you start the money share the papa. What's the idea? Opa, for a very decent woman, it's a two. Decent woman. Yes, sir, they need not so decent. That's whatever they didn't abuse.
No crapper.
They get it.
No crapper.
So society has been designed in such a manner. That is why there is law. And into the Yembra, because in Jaipa, you pay my I think you are 1% of Raman. So that is why in the wisdom of the parliament, you know, after studying internet space now, recent development. Recent development.
Yeah.
Yemran, as at that time, had not anticipated say the am I Abrabona and Nipebon? You are born face to face. So we're born by this time.
And remember social media about the
good. As the time producer is so newspapers. Even by the time it's you get it. You can most of the traditional media are now moving to social media.
You hear radio cranity and radio be our Facebook nyade.
Certainly. If you see that society is reforming, society that is why in trying to keep pace with that, you know, almost the Cybersecurity Act, and electronic communications act, those the combined effect of those, you know, now the Criminal Offences Act, also the it makes ample provision, and I say it's making the requisites, and I say the needed legal framework, a governing this cyberspace, especially the Juma, you know, if I bit more sanitize the internet space, you know, that offense, you know, cybersecurity authority, you know, that cybersecurity authority, you know, and especially, almost, if you go to their site, their contacts are there. Contacts for all. If you have WhatsApp platforms, there are WhatsApp platforms that you can report matters and they will investigate. And I will report, you don't need or you ought not to be the victim.
Okay.
And then what's not true in some reporting. So you internet, not a distraction. You can literally report and they will investigate. And the good news about internet space is that so far as you're using fence, say MTF data, and I would have Telesa, any of the your IP, IP.
Lawyer.
And then
Maybe a word runa me watch it to Mohona me dear. What's say? Okay. And man, you will be arguing say, what you took will be to be a huno. Now, I think a week ago or a few moments, a week ago, you who might be a better social media, mammy and son or more boabo Frebby.
Exactly.
And now, Ubia would not try a young cassa any panel or find this scene is a very distressing, right?
That is it.
And I will try.
Good.
And or debate to social media.
Yes. He has committed an offense.
Okay.
You get it? So now, any social media and also the call.
Police station.
You ought not to put it on social media.
Last time, okay.
You report it to the come police. And for instance, I don't think that any media house. How do you
okay.
You get it?
Okay.
They will now communicate it privately to the appropriate parties for investigation.
Let's say a bit me for everyone say the nipa ne ye ne nye de na wo momu hu na watwa no enye social media no so de beto fako police station anase se media house bia wo gini di ana social institution bi.
That is it.
Okay.
And I say any security agency. And I say even the opinion leader of the community. Obi o gini di say as a normal man so far.
No man so better on transfer no.
On transfer we keep one am. You point it to that area. And I'm going to say, what the two are? The identity, the about intention and so on. Obi a identity who.
Okay. Ɛhɔ no nso me nkyerɛ mu wo se yɛ banti ta video no so ana WhatsApp na ɛnyɛ wadwe sɛ obia ehu anase obia ennimu tokro bia hyem bia no na wo ka about IP address
because this data companies they also data for the browser what is data the browser or gadget na we use or gadget na for the browser and what is special identity number it is all the super for instance so there example say there o Google now they always search there or they always search there at random super simple na what you look at yourself
baby a wo free no say woman shia wo bokruma na ya na
good what I say this location was picked from your IP address you tell me say it was picked from your IP address
nti your phone e Brian ne de e ma ehu ba bia ye wo bia
exactly because especially it is on the mast and the ticket signal
exactly
mast and you that's so be a mast on network ni ho
Utiminya de oye na utiminya de oye ndi anache there's a close by mast. How we are connected to it if you do internet and whatsoever.
Exactly.